everyone. Today we are going to discuss about things around us. In our daily life we come across so many things. These things can be broadly classified into living things and non-living things. What are living things? Living things are those in which life exists. For example, human, animal, plants. Now what is non-living thing? Non-living things are those in which life don't exist. For example, table, chair, book. To know them deeply, now let us see their characteristics. First is need food. Living things need food. To perform their daily activities, they need energy. And how do they get that energy? They get energy from food. Hence, living things need food. But in the case of non-living thing, they don't do anything. So, they don't require energy and hence they don't need food. Living things grow. Be it animal, plant or human. They grow. For example, a young boy grows into an adult man. A sapling grows into a plant and chick grows into a hen. So living things grow, but a chair don't grow from here to here. So non-living things can't grow and living things can grow. Living things breathe. Some living things breathe through lungs, for example human. Some breathe through special feature, say fish. A fish breathes through special feature called gills. Now for plant breathes through stomata that are present on the leaves. And some breathe through lungs as well as skin like frog. So every living thing breathes but non-living things don't breathe. Now living things move. A human can move from one place to another, so can an animal. But in case of plant, yes, they can also move. Let us take an example of sunflower. It always moves in the direction of sun. Now let us take one more example. Say touch me not plant. When you touch its leaf, it gets contracted. Hence it shows movement. So living things can move. Non-living things can also move, but it cannot move on its own. Hence we can say that non-living things don't move. Now living things feel. When you feel hot, when you switch off the fan, you start feeling hot. Birds migrate when they start feeling hot. So living thing feels, but non-living thing don't feel anything. Next, reproduce. Every living thing reproduce. Some reproduce by giving birth, some by laying egg, and plant reproduce by producing seeds that turns or grows into plant. But non-living things don't reproduce. Next, living things die. Every living things are present for a specific period of time, and when that period is completed, they die. But non-living things were never alive, so they will never get dead also. So this ends the characteristics of living things and non-living things. Now let us see the similarities between living things and non-living things. So the first similarity is living things and non-living things. Both have weight. Dog also have some weight and a table also have some weight. So both living thing and non-living thing have weight. Second, both occupy space. A living thing also occupies a space and a non-living thing also occupies a space. Next, both are affected by external conditions. Say environmental conditions. When there is summer, living things start using cooler. For example, human start making use of cooler. Birds try to migrate, and when there is too much hot, metal contracts or expands according to the weather condition. Hence, living things and non-living things both are affected by external condition. Fourth, living things and non-living things both are made up of material. Living things are, for example, human are made up of bones, blood, etc. whereas non-living things are made up of, for example, table, it is made up of wood. So both require some material. So here ends the similarity between living things and non-living things. Now, non-living things are also of two types. One is the man-made and other is natural. Man-made includes the things that are made by man, for example, table, chair, etc. And natural, that is given by nature, for example, the cloud, the hills, the mountain. I hope this session is clear to you. Thank you.